This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Jesus Alvarez. Here's your opportunity to rent a beautiful home in the heart of Longwood. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage, pool home is ready for your family. Upon entering, you'll be greeted with natural light, an open floor plan, and neutral tones throughout. The spacious kitchen features include granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, 42-inch cabinets, center island and breakfast bar, a decorative mosaic backsplash flowing up the wall, and stainless steel range, hood, dishwasher, and sink. In addition, there's a large pantry and a second pantry closet for added storage. Perched on a beautiful corner lot with mature landscaping in the upscale, gated community of Longwood Club, you will find 970 Burlwood Court, meticulously and lovingly maintained by the original owner. This single-story home boasts 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, formal living and dining rooms, kitchen, and family room, providing the perfect balance of space for family gatherings and entertainment. On chilly winter evenings, snuggle up near the wood-burning fireplace in the spacious family room. Granite countertops are featured in 2 bathrooms and marble in the primary bathroom. Enter the fully fenced backyard tropical oasis where you can indulge in Florida sun and fun in the sparkling, heated, screen-enclosed pool surrounded by lush foliage. The home also has a water softener and gutters. Great location, close to 434 I-4, shopping, and restaurants. Zoned for top-rated Seminole County Schools. For more information, review the details.